done, Joseph, is I've created a vocabulary list in red. And our job is to find those vocabulary words inside of the verse. If you would be kind enough, Joseph, to lead us in this exercise, we would enjoy your teaching, brother.
Okay.
So you can give over a word, and then we can look for it together. We'll go one word at a time so that we understand how the process works.
So we have Nagad.
Well done, brother.
It means to tell.
Correct. Now see if you can find an instance of Nagad.
Yes, we do have Nagad. In the first line, the first word.
Well done.
We have Naugud.
So we have va, you,
Vayugud.
vayugad.
Yes.
It's just that kubutz is very big and intersecting with the gimel as well as the yud. It's very understandable. Well done. So that's +1. How about the second word? Let's do a detective on the second word.
Amar.
Nice.
It means to say.
Very good.
The instance of Amar is in the first line, the last word.
Well done.
Leimor.
Exactly right. Lemor. Beautiful work. Let's try another one. Third word in the vocabulary.
We have Barach.
Very nice.
Which means to bless.
Right.
It is in the second line, the first word. Beirach.
Exactly right. Exactly right. At the risk of losing this worksheet, I'm going to try and bring in the cursor. And I guess I will try just for a minute to allow Gideon back in. Gideon, I welcome you back to the class. We're on the recitation of 2 Samuel chapter 6, verse 12. And I think we can do another detective job, Joseph. This is going very nicely. We found now Beirach. Let's look at the fourth word where my cursor is lying. The blue circle is next to the next word for our exercise.
We have Haloch.
Very nice. Halach. Very nice. And you're reading without vowels. And you're reading without, note everyone that our advanced reader in this instance is reading without the vowels altogether, which is a big achievement. Very nice. Now this will be a tricky one because it misses a letter. Can you find the instance of halach?
Yes.
Okay.
We have it. In the first line, the last word, we have it, but it doesn't have the halves of it.
Oh. No, that's not it. It'll be in the second line. It's one of the red words in the second line.
Okay. Yes, we have it. We have lach.
Right. We have an instance of it actually in the second line.
Vayelech.
Exactly right. Vayelech. Beautiful.
Yes.
Do you, Joseph, do you also get the warning on your end when they're telling us?
We have about 6 minutes.
Okay.
Yes.
Adiela gave you a heart. She's enjoying, which is great to know. I'm glad our Finland representatives are. Thank you very much for the heart. Let us then use this 6 minutes to give our followers a recitation of the verse kindly, brother.
Okay.
And maybe halfway through we'll let Gideon take over, but why don't you give us a start? Vayu God.
Vayu God. Lamelech. David. Leimor. Beirach.
Nice.
Yahweh et Beit Obed. Edom.
Beautiful.
Leet.
That's a vav. Ve'et.
Yes, ve'et. Kol asher lo.
Beautiful. Gideon, are you around to give us the last bit?
Let me try.
Okay.
Let me try.
It's pretty good. You're coming in pretty well. I guess, Joseph, maybe you better continue. I think it's not a great connection with Brother Gideon right now.
Ba'avur.
Exactly right. Ba'avur.
Aaron. Ha'Elohim.
Nice.
Vayelech. There are some sounds.
Let me try to finish
I think.
You wanna? Yeah. All right. I think Gideon did mute. Go ahead, Joseph. Vayelech David.
Vayal et Aaron.
Nice.
Ha'Elohim.
Well done, Hongera. Endelea.
Mi Beit Oved Edom. Ir David,
Ir David, the city
David.
Of David. Ir David.
Besim Ha.
Beautiful. Well done. Maria, will you be kind enough to give us the translation?
Yes. It says, and it was told King David, saying, the Lord hath blessed the house of Obed Edom and all that pertaineth unto him because of the ark of God. And David went and brought up the ark of God from the house of Obed Edom into the city of David with joy.
Well done. Beautiful. Very nice. You guys, it's just been a fantastic class. Welcome again for all that joined. Diela and Johanna, especially, congratulations on a beautiful start. And Mumtaz and